Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mansoor Ali, lecturer of mathematics APTC. Today I'm just going to start new chapter. In fact, first chapter as well. The matrices and determinant. Although that you have learned from metric class, so I'm just only revise the thing that what is matrix. This is definition of matrix. Matrix is a set of group of numbers arranged in a square or rectangular array enclosed by two brackets. So enclosed by two brackets, and the brackets should be in the square form, but in some books it can be a parenthesis or a small bracket. Okay, but in your book, in federal board book or in Karachi board, both books use square brackets. Okay, so what is the matrix definition? Set or group of members arranged in a square or rectangular array. Okay, then topic is order of matrix. This topic you have learned from matriculation, because this class is all about division of the matrix. A specified number of rows and a specified number of columns, we can say that order of matrix. For example, two numbers means rows by column. I said by this thing, rows by column describe the dimensions of the size or the size of the matrix. For example, how many rows are there? There are 3 rows. How many columns are there? Yes, there are 3 columns. 2 rows, 4 columns, 1 row, 2 columns. Okay. In vertical shape, this column. In horizontal shape, this row. Now 3 by 3, 2 by 4, 1 by 2. Okay. Now how we can arrange on, and what is this, what we can call it? Okay, this is like address of a member. Okay, A11 means first row, first column. A12 means he or she lives in first row and second column row. Okay, and same as this thing. So a matrix done by a bold capital letter like this, and the elements means member of the matrix. Within the matrix are denoted by lowercase letter, means small letters. Okay, for example, this is bold capital letter and elements in small letter. M by n means how many rows and how many columns. M by n. 1 means first row, first column, first row, second column, and so on. Ij means ith column and jth row. Sorry, ith row and jth column. Okay, ith row and jth column. Again, mth row and nth column. Okay. Now types of matrices. In last class, I have asked from all of you that please mention types of matrices, because yesterday I had in my mind that I wanted to ask, or I want to tell in this presentation. Although that you know very well, and in fact lots of students told me about the wide scenario. Column matrix or vector matrix, we can say that if a matrix has only one column, then it is called column matrix. If a matrix have only one row, then it is called row matrix. Rectangular matrix, if the number of rows and number of columns are not equal or not same, so we can say that rectangular matrix. So can anyone tell the order of this matrix? Yes, 4 by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 2. And what about this? Yes, 2 by 5. 1, 2, 2 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and m is not equal to n, means number of rows is not equal to number of columns, then we can say that the matrix is rectangular matrix. A square matrix is opposite to the rectangular matrix, means number of rows should be equal to number of columns, means 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5. So or we can say that square matrix. Okay, the principal or main diagonal, this is called main diagonal, although that it is diagonal as well, but this is called main diagonal or principal diagonal, is composed of all elements. Why? Because a11, a22, a11, a22, a33, so I is equal to j. Okay, but if we can call this thing, so this element is a31, oh sorry, 1 by 3, a13, 2 3, 3 1. So this is not equal, but 1 1, 2 2, 3 3. Okay. Okay, in for the diagonal matrix, the matrix should be square. It means that number of rows should be equal to number of columns. So a square matrix where all the elements are 0 except those on principal diagonal or main diagonal, means except this or this, all numbers are 0. We can say diagonal matrix. Okay, unit or identity matrix. If in principal diagonal all the ones are there, so we can say that unit or identity matrix. I asked yesterday that a null or zero matrix, it should be a square or not. It must be a no. You can see that this is the rectangular matrix and this is a square matrix, because the order of this matrix is 3 by 1 and it is 3 by 3. So this is also a null matrix and this also a type of null matrix. Scalar matrix. So the diagonal matrix means diagonal matrix whose main diagonal elements are equal to the same scalar. So the scalar is defined as a single number or constant. So this is, we can say that all the numbers are should be same. If you have any questions, so you can ask me through WhatsApp, through Google Classroom. I'm available to give all the clarification, and through WhatsApp we can do some exercise question today. Okay, thank you for your attention. Thank you for being with me. Allah Hafiz.